Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Inta Afiza binti Afindi. I am from KAM 1103H. I'm going to do my oral commentary, which is for my subject ESA through 231. So basically, our lecture asks us to watch some movie to do as our oral commentary. So I will choose Sing as my oral commentary, which is the movie. So basically, Sing is the musical movie which is it's from America, and the director is Gar Janice, and producer is Chris Melanderi and Janet Haley. So basically, the character is from animal, and then Sing is basically about the life of person who goes through, and then there is a lot character and life in a different ways of their life. So the city called California, which is the animal town. So the koala, which is named Buster Moon, has on the theater. So he gonna do the singing competition for the for the town, and then to promote his struggling theater. Following finance problem brought by Laman bank representative Judith and his assistant, which is Miss Carly. So and then Miss Carly accidentally applies 2 extra 0 to the prize money, and she misprinted, and then flyer are blown out of the window into the street. So the next day, there is a lot animal across the city gather for the audition. So Buster Moon has selected Rosita, which is housewife and mother of 25 piglets, and then punk rock Ash, gorilla Johnny, street musician Mouse Mike, teenager, and the others, which is the elephant Mina, and then the other animal. Other than that, for the first stage, the elephant Mina failed her first audition, while Ash ill-tempered boyfriend Lance is dismissed from the contest. And then Rosita is paired with a cantor for a dance routine. So Buster discovered the flyer advised her a price of $1,000 money that he does not have a remains optimistic. So he arranged a visit with his friend Eddie, which is Eddie have a grandmother from an opera and singer and stage actress, which is Nana Nudemans. So he asked Eddie to sponsor the prize money, but she, which is Nana Noodlesman, has agreed to attend to private preview for the show. So the next day, Mina, which is the elephant, tries to ask Buster for another chance to performance, but become his stage hand instead. And then Rosita floundered in her dance routine with Gunter, distracted by parenting duties, which is Rosita have 25 piglets. There is a lot piglets to handle in the parents, and Gunter is the partner, not her husband. Is he just the partner with Rosita to the show. And then after discovery, Rosita has distracted by her parents' duty that have fallen into disarray. So after that, for the Ash story, after discovering Lance broke up with her new girlfriend, telling that she was never around anymore and evicting them from her apartment, and then Ash break down while singing her assignment song, which is by Carly Rae Jepsen, which is Call Me Maybe. And then move forward for the Johnny the gorilla. Johnny is a torn between rehearsal and having to help his father as the driver of a getaway car in his. And then he trying to do both, but he fails to pick up the robbers in time due to traffic jam, and his father and the gang was arrested by the police. So that's by Johnny. And then moves forward for Mike the mouse. So Mike has been selected in the audition, but he feel like the money has a lot, and he decide to buy a fancy car to impress a female mouse with and swindle a group of Russian bears in the card game. The day of the preview, which is the Nana Noodle Man want to come the private show, the Russian bear interrupt the show, demanding the money from Mike, who punched the buster. So the bears open the price check, but there is no money in there, and suddenly the glass tank has been has been broken, and then there is a squid lighting the stage break and floats the theater, so which comes crashing down. Judy comes and repossesses the Lord and Buster, who had been leaving his desk at the theater. So and then takes up resident with Eddie and his parents at the pool house. So the contestant, which is the animal that has been selected by Buster Moon, try to cheer him up, but Buster is too disappointed to listen, and he tried to start over by opening a car wash. So the other day, Amina, the elephant, goes to the rubber of the theater and sing a Leonard Cohen, which is Hallelujah. So Buster hears her sings, and he get the inspired the show without the prize money. And then he make a makeshift stage of a lot for Rosita and Mina families. So Rosita and Gata perform Taylor Swift, which is Shake It Off, which is final prompts Rosita husband Norman. So Norman is actually Rosita husband, not the Gunter. Gunter is actually her partner. So and then to pay attention to her singing talent. So other than that, more animals are drawn to the scene as the show is broadcast to the news. So Johnny, rendition of Elton John, which is I'm Still Standing. So to impress his father, who escaped from the prison, to reconcile with him and make apologize. And then, despite an interaction by Judith, Ash sing her original song, which is Set It All Free, which is her ex-boyfriend watched on TV and finally acknowledged Ash talent. And then ex-boyfriend Ash will be regret. And then Mike returned to the show and sing Frank Sinatra My Way, and Mina finally overcome her fear and sing Stevie Wonder Don't You Worry About the Thing, which literally brings down the house. So basically they show his success and impress Nana Noodle Man. So Nana Noodle Man pay everything and reboot everything they did to become famous again, like other than they. So my list and favorite characters, and the reason is I like Ash because her backstory create the most empathy, like her opinion about pop music resonate with my taste, which is me. It also not often one sees a thoughtful singer-songwriter, which is actually pretty cool and awesome, and she dumped the boyfriend because he got another woman, and she literally move on 100%. So my least character is Rosita, the mother. Rosita is the mother, creates this awesome mechanical to feed her family, which is wash the dishes, do the laundry, and she doesn't patent in, also don't bring it to market for groceries. So she make millions from her investment and have all the time in the world to practice dancing at the grocery store. So the main problem on this movie is the stage and the owner Buster Moon, because he's trying to save the theater, but he have a debt with Nana Nudemans, also Judith, and she don't want to help Buster unless Buster impress her in the private show or with something awesome and interesting to watch. And then for the first try was Phil, and then he not give up, and he's still trying to impress Nana with him to complete the debt. But Nana was touching, and she give all Buster need to pull up the stage, which is the theater. So and then who solve the problem? So they solve the problem, which is Buster Moon, Mina, Ash, Gunter, Mike, Rosita, and Johnny. So how is the problem solved? So they will put up together on together the stage and theater in halfway after the building was crashed because of the flood, and then they are not give up to show up their talent towards everyone, and then they are success together until they got attention of television station and become famous. So, the positive and negative for this movie, which is the negative, is the plot has a pressure towards audience, which is they have a gangster to chase a mine and destroy everything in the theater. That Buster Moon and other animal has been built up together to get impressed on another man's. This make audience feel the pressure and stress and get a lot of critic in this movie. So next is the positive in this movie. So the positive of this movie is one of the biggest surprise of 2016, because it is especially has a great much better than a movie about singing, talking animals even needs to be. Then sing is a good nature, well intonation, bit of jukebox, and then has a fluff that is at the most frustrating when you can see how it could be possibility gone in a more interesting direction. So what I learned in this movie, they team up together and don't give up easily of what they are being doing and keep positive. Even though there is a lot of a problem and obstacle to continue the show, and they are life giving. So I will share my choose scene as my memorable scene, which is my great scene to watch together. So when the show and theater are doing in halfway, but an amazing concept, and there is a lot of the audience came that tonight to watch the performance, the animals. After the building owned by Buster Moon was destroyed, but it's still touching and become memorable for audience because they have a scene when Johnny came across right after he got uh, across right Johnny father across right after he got into the jail, and Johnny father going out from the jail to see his son performance that night in the halfway. I really recommendation this movie because it's very suit for adults and children to enjoy this movie. Also, this movie can be improved by the sad scenes and happy scenes. So it's balanced and it's very joyful to watch with family. And the rating I will give like 4/5 stars.